Hello everybody! I really fancy some noodles, but we haven't got any in the house, so I've looked up online how to make my own. So I'm going to try egg noodles today. So the recipe that I found is 125 grams of flour, either plain or strong flour, 2 eggs and half a teaspoon of salt. I think if you want to do this recipe with just water as well, if you don't have any eggs, you can do that, but obviously they're not egg noodles. So let's get cracking. Oh, quite literally. I'm sporting my Thanksgiving pinafore today, given to me by my friend Lizzie. The Yorkshire Legend one was from Fiona. So thanks everybody for my great aprons. Okay, I'm just going to put the bowl aside a minute and measure out, did I say 125 grams of flour? You can even add a little bit of baking powder to them if you want them a little bit thicker. I think that's close enough. Apparently it's better to do this with fine salt, but I've only got coarse salt, so I'm hoping for the best. The next thing to do is make a bit of a well and crack the eggs into the well. That didn't work out exactly right, but you basically have to get your hands dirty next. This is the part where I really regret not leaving the flour packet open and to the side, because you're meant to flour your fingers quite regularly to keep it from doing this. So I know at some point we're going to have to make it to the worktop, but it looks like we're doing it early. And this is where I'll put a little bit more flour out on the side. And I'm going to start kneading it. Can't really overhandle or over knead this kind of dough like you can with some bread doughs. Well, that doesn't look very doughy to me, but apparently that's kind of how it should look. Once again, we need plenty of flour so that it doesn't stick. I'm going to fold it over just to make it a bit easier to cut them evenly on both sides. I should do them a little bit thinner than that. As expected, I'm going to need this guy. Andre has just come in with his expert eye and said that they look very similar to the ones that he did last time, which were way too thick. So we're just going down, because he's got a bit of a better hand, he's going down with the pizza cutter and just making them half the size that I made them. You can put these in a Tupperware and keep them. You can even freeze them, but I'm probably going to make them for dinner tonight, so I'm just leaving them on this rack purely so they don't get stuck together. It's dinner time. Let's see if the noodles are any good. I'm going to boil the kettle and cook them for a couple of minutes in boiling water, and then I'll stir fry them after. Okay, so it's finished. Got to get the verdict from Andre now.
I'm hungry.
I'm not saying like Andre's the master of noodles or anything, but he's made them before,
I'm
so...
the only other person in the house. They're quite stringy. Like
noodles?
They're bouncy. Have you tried them?
No, not yet.
They're a bit wholemealy and a bit more brown than usual, but I like it.
They're very thick.
Good thing we chopped them in half, eh?
Yeah, good thing I let you chop them in half. Tastes good, looks crap. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you've got any better ideas for what I could have done differently, then please leave them in the comments section below. If you like these kind of videos, consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you next time.
See you next time, bye.
Bye.
That is precious, baby. Very
Should
nice.
we eat?
Very nice.
Come on then, let's go eat
What's
properly,
this?
man. Celery.
Hey.
Snuck it in, didn't I?